Hello, I'm Brad Capone, and today we're going to be reviewing tasks in AdminEstate. AdminEstate allows you to create one-time, recurring, and templated tasks. Today, we'll create one of each together and explore all of the awesome features. Let's start by navigating to tasks, and then active tasks. On this page, I can see all of my current active tasks. I can filter my tasks by either typing in a keyword here, or I can click the filter button and view all of my filtering options. I can filter by the status, such as active, waiting, to do, and doing. I can filter by assignment if you have multiple users on your AdminEstate account. You can also filter by Smart Sort, which is a combination of due date and priority. Finally, you can sort by specific contact. You can quickly and easily mark a task done, edit a task, or even remove a task completely. With the collapse view, you can view the task title, if the task has been applied to a contact, and the task due date. I can click here to expand the task and view more details. Here I can view contact information, notes, priority status, and even if there's any reminders set up for this task. Let's create a task. Click on New Task to get started. We're going to create a single one-time task, so click on New Individual Task. We'll begin by giving our task a title. I could set the priority, the current status, assign the task to another user on my account, and give the task a due date. I want to receive an email reminder of this task, so I'll click here. I can customize when and how I want to receive this reminder. I can also attach the task to a contact or even an active transaction. Finally, I can put in more information about the task here. Then, click Save when finished. My new task now appears on my active task list. I like to call my sellers every Friday, so let's set up a recurring task to remind me. Click on New Task. This time, we'll select New Recurring Task. This is pretty much the same as before. You can give the task a title, priority, status, assign the task, and create a due date. Now, however, there's a new section. This section allows me to edit the frequency of the task. I can choose from daily, weekly, monthly, or annually. I want to call my sellers every Friday, so I'll select weekly and mark Friday. I'll have AdminEstate create this task on the day it's due, so I'll set this to 0. I also want to receive an email reminder. This task isn't really for a single particular contact, so I won't attach it to anyone in my database, but I will fill in some instructions for myself. Once finished, click Save. Now this task isn't due until Friday, so it won't appear here on my active tasks list until then. To view all of your recurring tasks, simply click on the filter button and select the Templates/Repeaters button. Here I can view all of my templated tasks as well as all of my recurring tasks. I can edit or remove these tasks here. Okay, so now let's talk about templated tasks. We all have those tasks that are repetitive. For example, when you take on a new listing, you're always going to do the same checklist items like getting professional photos taken, creating a flyer, putting up a sign, etc. Well, what I can do is create a template that includes all of those individual tasks. So let's do one. We'll navigate back to our active tasks and select New Task. This time, we'll select New Templated Task. We'll give the task a name. We won't attach it to a contact just yet. I only want to create the template at this time, so I'll go straight to task item number 1. You should be pretty familiar with this screen by now, so I'll quickly fill out this section. I want to add a couple more tasks to this template, so I'll select the New Task button. Once again, I'll fill out all the information for this task. And let's add just one more. I can quickly view each task by selecting the task name. Once I've finished and I've added all of my tasks, I'll click on Save Template. Now, the next time I get a new listing, I can simply apply this template, and all of the tasks will automatically be generated for me. Let's do that now. Homer just listed his home, so we'll use him as our example. To apply one of your templates, select New Task. In the Use Template checklist, click the drop-down. This will display all of your templates. Select the template that you want to apply. Now all I need to do is select a contact and a property if applicable. If I wanted to edit anything or remove any tasks, I can do that. I'll remove the property flyer task. If I wanted to also update my template with any changes I make here, I can click on the Use and Save button. However, I don't want to delete the property flyer task from my new listing template. Just this one time I'm not going to make a property flyer. So I'll select Use Only. Now, if I want to go in and edit any of my templates, simply navigate to Tasks and Task Templates. Here I can edit or delete task templates. As you can see, AdminEstate has a pretty powerful task manager built in. If you have any questions or concerns using tasks, please feel free to reach out to your implementation manager anytime. You can also visit our Help Center at help.admin.estate.